Ever wondered how you can use Bitcoin in your everyday life? Let's dive right in. First off, shopping. Did you know you can use Bitcoin to shop at popular online retailers like Overstock and Newegg? Yep, you can get anything from the latest electronics to home goods, all with Bitcoin. And it's not just online. Many brick and mortar stores are hopping on the Bitcoin bandwagon too. Thanks to payment processors like BitPay, you can spend your Bitcoin at various local shops. Feeling hungry? There are plenty of restaurants that now accept cryptocurrency payments. Imagine paying for your meal with Bitcoin. Pretty cool, right? But it doesn't stop there. You can also use Bitcoin to pay for services like web hosting and even subscriptions. Think of all those monthly fees you can handle with your digital wallet. Speaking of wallets, keep yours secure. Always use a trusted wallet app for transactions. This helps you manage your Bitcoin and keep track of your balance. And if you ever need cash, Bitcoin ATMs have got you covered. These machines let you withdraw cash or buy Bitcoin directly. A quick and easy way to access your funds. Remember, Bitcoin is volatile. Prices can fluctuate, so always stay informed and cautious. Security measures are crucial too. Protect your assets and be mindful of where and how you spend. So there you have it. Using Bitcoin in everyday life is not just a dream, it's happening right now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more crypto tips.